Chiropractic and athletes go so well together. If you look at any professional sports team, they all have a chiropractor. And why is that? It's because chiropractic is the perfect thing for any athlete. Whether it's going through injury care and recovering from an injury, or it's just to perform at your very best, chiropractic care can help you. Now, when it comes to chiropractic adjustments, we can either focus on the spine and the spinal cord, or we can work on the arms and the legs to make sure you're performing your best. Your brain has to coordinate every movement that you make and has to make you as strong as possible and get as much nerve flow into your muscles, your arms, your legs as possible so that you can perform at your best. When you work on the spine directly, that's the spinal cord. That's all the nerve flow that runs your entire body. If you look at any professional athlete, like some of my favorites, Arnold Schwarzenegger swears by chiropractic. Any professional athlete in your line of athleticism probably also swears by chiropractic because it gets tremendous results, it makes you recover from injuries faster, and it makes you perform at your very best.